Okay, now we're on the IPG booth with Bill Shiner. And Bill is the Vice President Industrial of IPG, also, of course, a past president of the LIA. So,
well, it's
Bill,
great to see you, Peter.
Good to see you.
Wonderful.
Bill, I'm curious about what's new in the IPG world, the product line.
Well, actually, at this show, we're featuring quite a few new products. Probably the one that's the biggest diversion from what we've been offering is we're entering the picosecond.
Whoa!
So we've got a brand new laser, 12-watt picosecond laser, which further expands the market that IPG can address. We're also addressing a direct diode marker. So instead of using a laser, we're starting to market our diodes on a marking system which is in the packaging industry. So that's quite exciting because it opens up new markets.
Yeah.
As far as the standard product, we have a new module that instead of making our OEMs buy a complete laser and control system, we're now packaging it in what we call a module so they can embed it into their machine, thus reduce costs and obviously increase the profit margin. And probably one of the most exciting things is what we call the stepper, and that's this demo that's over here behind you. And basically, why is it important? As you probably realize, automobiles are usually welded with resistance welding, but as people have gone to what we call high-strength material, when you use resistance welding, you rely on distorting the steel to create the current path in resistance welding. With high-strength steel, they can't do that. So that opened up a market for what we call a laser resistance welding. So we're applying pressure from the bottom like you would in resistance welding, and we're scanning it with a laser, and already we've had wide acceptance in the European market by the European automotive, and now we're introducing it in North America and then Japan. So that's kind of like a quick overview of what we're excited about.
Yeah, there's a lot to be excited about. Did I forget to ask you anything?
No.
Okay, well, my next question was, you're famous in LIA. You've actually been a member of the board since '73 and won the President's Award. Tell me about the relationship with LIA and why you're so enthusiastic about it.
I think the thing about LIA is I tell people it's the golden thread that goes through the laser industry. And what's important about it is at the various conferences like the Calio conference and now the new cladding conference, and of course we have another new conference I'm pretty excited about. It's really the people and the relationships that you meet. You meet these people, you find out their problems, and you create your own network within the laser industry. There's no other group that satisfies that need. And in particular, it's not just a U.S. association. If you go to the Calio, you have scientists from around the world.
Yes.
And quite frankly, the amount of years I've been in, they're personal friends now.
Yes.
So there's tremendous value.
Sure.
My crusade, of course, is we've got to continue to get younger people into it to continue that network.
That's a good idea.
Was that good? You agree with that?
Thanks a lot. I love the young guys.
Yeah.